See, the thing is that the work activity.
See, we are doing it according to the direction.
No direction. I will discuss it in the proposal and I will decide.
Okay. So, we can go ahead with it. So, तुमका कोणाचे objection आहे, like we want a proposal and secretary. So, we can.
What I say?
Sorry, market policy, we have a definite committee which is being defined by the market policy, which is authorized by the government. According to the committee, we have to go ahead with the policy because policy is the rules and regulations which have been given with the law weightage. So they said we will go with the auction process according to the rules and regulations. But at the same time, what we had done is on the advertisement and everything, each and every point from the market policy was covered up and it was published on the notice. It was
is definitely a must in every village because there are issues pertaining to the villagers and the villagers want information and this information is always obtained through the Gram Sabha. Very definite issues were discussed here. One was the market complex and the market policy. And as the Panchayat body has informed, the Sarpanch has stated very definitely that there is a market policy framed by the government. It was also kept in the public domain for the information of the public. And now, as per the policy, the shops are being auctioned. There are definite committees also, to decide every aspect of the auctioning process as well. Now, the Gram Sabha has asked for a separate or special Gram Sabha on this market complex with reference to the market policy. And I think the Panchayat body has agreed. Very soon they will be fixing a date and the villagers will be informed. Similarly,